Late hours of Friday night in a massive fire incident, Koilashahar West Yajekhara Gram Panchayat's Maqbul Mia's poultry farm turned into ashes. According to the details of the incident, Maqbul Mia heard a loud noise and came out of his house when he saw his rooster farm burning. Hearing his shout, locals gathered at his place. Before the firefighters reached the spot, the entire farm along with 250 cocks turned into ashes. Receiving the information, OC Alamgir Hussain of Koilashahar Irani Police Station rushed to the spot. Rakhal Deb, officer of Koilashahar Fire Brigade, along with others including the former chief Bilal Ahmed Khan, rushed to the incident spot upon receiving the information. Talking to the reporters, the devastated owner of the poultry farm said,
হঠাৎ করে 12:20-30 সময় গতি বারোয়া খালি আওয়াজ শোনা গেছে যে বাসর যে আঁকিগুলি পড়ছে খালি আওয়াজ শুনিয়া বারোইয়া দেখা যায় পুরা আগুনের লোকটা এহটা গিয়ে উপরে বন্ধ উড়ি বাসর এরপরে দৌড়িয়া বারোইয়া 10 মিনিট গেছে না পুরা গড় শেষ আবার মাটি লয়ে লাগিয়েছে আমরা কিছু করার মতো আর আসিল
এটা ইয়াজাখরা গ্রাম পঞ্চায়েতের কত নম্বর
ওয়ার্ড
আচ্ছা ক্ষয়ক্ষতির পরিমাণ কি পরিমাণ হইব
1,25-30 টাকার মতো।
He said the time when they came out of their house and saw the farm burning, they called the fire service immediately. But till the time the firefighters came in, within few minutes the entire farm reduced into ashes in front of their eyes. However, the reason behind the fire breakout is still unknown, if it's from short circuit or set intentionally by anyone. Bureau Report, Hallabol.